What is up, guys? We have PvP here. I'm with my friend
Hey
Sabari.
guys.
Yeah. We're gonna be flying my drone here. Just a little. Well, actually, Sabari might not do it with me because he wants to go watch anime in my room.
Okay.
So,
See you guys. Peace.
Yep. See ya. So this is vlog number 1. This time I don't want to try to fail. So I'm gonna put the GoPro here for you guys to see. Give you a good little look. So you're probably gonna be looking up. So first thing, actually no, turn it sideways for you guys. So first things first. Well, if you guys saw that, there's some moves you can do. Now let's try doing a backflip. Oh no, that's a front flip. Dang it. Backflips aren't the really good ones. Yes. And by the way, guys, I'm with Sabari. I also just learned these moves like yesterday. No. Okay, there we go. You guys see that? Look at this. If I can move back. Ooh, I got it right there. Now I'm gonna do it. Now I'm gonna do it from close up, so I'm gonna go get Sabari. Sabari!
Yeah.
Come here. What you watching there? Some anime. Okay, so I need you to help me. Just edit the video. No, just hold it, because they probably didn't really get a good view. So,
For how long?
Yeah, just for like 2 minutes, 1 minute.
Okay. Let me come behind you.
Also, we just learned these moves yesterday. That was a fail. Woo!
And guys, I did a double. Okay, so let's sign out.
Well, guys, that was the end of this vlog. Sorry it was really short. It's really late outside, so I didn't really want to go outside and do
There's
it.
also the stranger who's knocking on a door.
Yeah,
we're
there's-
like, what the fuck?
There's some guy at our door. He was like, yeah. So
Peace
I hope you
out.
guys enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for more vlogs, and other than that, I'll see you
And
in the
by the
next
way, the
episode.
giveaway is a pencil. Don't forget a pencil.
Yeah, but really, it actually is simple. I don't know what we're doing for the giveaway.
Let us know
So-
in the comments below what you guys want.
Also, yeah, that's basically it. See you guys in the next episode.